Started a little bit late, but let's go into why I took this trade. And by the way, guys, it didn't even let me take the trade. You can't buy. What the fuck? Guys, that was a maintenance break. That makes no sense. I'm just not gonna lie. There's a maintenance break, and now it's not maintenancing, which doesn't make sense. I'll try enter if I can at this point. Anyways, oh, that was weird. I literally couldn't enter like before. Like it just didn't let me enter because it was like a maintenance break or some shit. Now it's working. Shit, well that's a little bit annoying. Alright, yesterday's trade we ended up getting stopped out, ended up going up. We didn't take our Asian session high. I still think it wasn't off emotion. It was low-key just me being stupid. I was gonna target that originally, so. But yeah, we took a dub by the way. Made I think it was $10. Anyways, let's go over this trade. So coming into the hourly, I'll quickly show you guys. We had New York manipulation followed by Asian reversal, should be London continuation. We did manipulate an Asian, and that's why I kind of thought, you know, but we ended up manipulating London. And that's why I was like, London manipulation and reversal. Because usually when we go for continuations, the next session usually manipulates, then gives us the big move. So let's go into the hourly. I'll quickly just show you guys. Hourly was looking really nice. Long wicks to the downside. We pushed into this order block originally here. We did push into it again, but we did push. Was it a breaker? Did we push into a breaker? I think it was a 5-minute breaker. No. Was it a 5-minute or was it 30 minutes? 30-minute breaker. We popped back into it. So we came back into that, right? We had hourly highs, New York highs, hourly Asian session highs. We took them out on Asian session, reacted down, manipulated on London, and then this is where I tried catching a reversal. I waited for a fill in this gap, which we got. But, like, I didn't really wait for that, actually. That wasn't, like, my main thing. We got a... Well, I did wait for that. But we got a disrespect in this gap and this gap. Break of structure on the 5-minute. No, not on... We didn't even break structure on the 5-minute. It was more on the 1-minute. We waited for continuation, which was a hit on equilibrium, which we did actually have a pretty deep pullback. We also... Yeah, that was, like, our reaction. We waited for the reaction. What else did we have? We had the 79 Fibonacci closure. I now know why, and it makes sense why we use it. Because it's a very deep pullback, and it's high probability of just reversing at that point. So we got that, and then that's when I entered, and I had to take a mad shit, and then I had to rush and quickly enter. But, yeah, right now we're in our losses, which isn't the best. I'm kind of annoyed. Oh, wait, yeah, I should try and enter the trade. What I'm nervous about is we might just sweep out these and go down. I'm hoping not, but it looks like a high time frame reversal, as you can tell. But I did target these this hourly gap, but we do have, I think we've popped into, is it 15-minute? No, we haven't popped into anything. I thought we did. So yeah, that was my entry. Trade's going pretty well. Sorry I didn't show you guys the live trade of me entering. I couldn't even enter. But I just placed this to show where I would have entered. And yeah, hopefully we can... This is a good trade. I think it's pretty good. Only thing I'm worried about is we did, you know, take this out. We've already taken it out, so I don't think it should be too much of a problem. I'm going to try enter here. Just to... I'm just going to enter... You know, whatever. Or it's $20. I made sure it was like the right pips and shit. No cheating on this trade. And final take profit is in the middle of this hourly high time frame gap. So yeah, I entered. I made sure I'm not fucking... What am I doing? Playing with my nipple? Like what? I made sure I'm not fucking tricking yous. No, but... I should have entered down, actually. Low-key stupid. I just made it worse for myself. So we may as well just fucking... No, we won't do that. We'll just leave it like this for now. It is a little bit annoying. Anyways, yeah, let's hope this trade goes well. I don't think I'm going to show you guys the results because I'm low-key busy. Why I couldn't record was I was like, there's a lot of family shit, a lot of noise, people coming in and out of my room, so I couldn't really record, and low-key it's just like a private thing anyways, so... yeah, our final take profit I think will be in the middle of this gap and this high, because if we go into the higher time frames, first of all, well, not on the hourly, but we're in the middle of this gap. I reckon we're going to push into this gap, fill it, and then react down. That's also equilibrium, I'm pretty sure. Why am I doing that? No, guys, I have a mad chest. That's why I was doing it. Low-key. So I'll quickly get out this just to set it out easier. Yeah, equilibrium is around there, which is nice. And we have low time frame, more low time frame liquidity. We have a 30-minute high, and like... it was like a new, this is a New York session high, but for the lower time frame. 4 hourly, yeah, we're just in a gap right now on the 4 hourly, so we might just fill it and react down. I'm hoping we don't, but we've been very overextended. We also are in this 4 hourly gap, so I reckon, and we're in this breaker, so I reckon we should see some form of retrace, some form of manipulation on the 4 hour, taking out like some of these highs, you know, something, but only time will tell. Let's hope our bias was correct. I'll let you guys know tomorrow if we win the trade or not. But this is also looking really good. Long wicks to the downside. Pretty happy with the trade. Annoyed that I didn't get the proper entry, but that's okay. It's not about the entry. It's not about the money. It's about like how I'm actually trading. It is a 1.78 risk reward, which is pretty normal. Yesterday, I'm not going to like be stupid. I'm not going to move it up to here. Again, that's unrealistic. I mean, it is, I think, a high time frame retrace, but I reckon it's just unrealistic, which I might be wrong. We might take it out. But overall, pretty good trade. We do have some low resistance liquidity here, I think, on the hourly. Not really, actually. But, yeah, we're kind of just in our losses right now, which is a bit annoying. Tiny bit, literally 17 cents. Yeah, price action was really good. Again, I think I'm going to do the TGR strategy, which is 1 minute entry off, and I get an entry right here, and then 5 minute entry, which would have been here, would have got double the take profits. I mean, that's kind of crazy, I'm not going to lie. Alright, well, I need to quickly set my first take profit, second take profit. I reckon we've already hit my first, I'm not gonna lie. No, I'm gonna put it at the end of this gap for now. Second take profit would be, I think, up here, or a little bit lower, right here. There we go. So, yeah, that's gonna be it. $8 in profit. Oh, skyrocketing right now. Actually, I might just wait, because we're getting a movement right now, and I want to wait for you guys. Alright, that's going to be break even. Oh, wait, right here. Nice, break even. Alright, we could get stopped out here now that we're break even, which is fine. Yeah. Really nice trade. Can't lose anymore, can't lose any money. But let's hope we just hit this final take profit. This will be partials. We'll move partials up to like here. And that's it, guys. Hopefully, we are in an order block as well. 5 minute order block. High probability of reversal. Let's hopefully disrespect this gap. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll let you guys know if we won the trade or not. You guys can check GBP USD yourself and see if I won. But yeah, Monday's a good trade. So this guy keeps telling me not to trade Mondays. I'm sorry, man, but I think I'm gonna have to trade Mondays because, dude, this was a nice fucking trade, and it was low-key perfect, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, laters, guys.